Al Miller's comments after being sentenced in a court case related to former Tivoli strongman Christopher Dudus Coke. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the mother whose 6-year-old was shot in St. Catherine yesterday is speaking out.
The latest on that waterfall of sewage along Marcus Garvey Drive.
A behavior change expert on how to get more Jamaicans to dispose of garbage properly.
In business news, the latest on price increases.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, do you think Reverend Al Miller's sentence was fair?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines.